Hello viewers, so are you wondering on how you can solve this maths problem? So worry not, I want us to work it out within the shortest time possible. So watch the video up to the end. So let's start with the solution. So on our solution in this case, now we have 5 to the power of a is equals to 45. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to express 45, that's a whole number, to the base of 5, which is impossible until now we use the log. So let's introduce the log on both sides. Now we shall now have the log of 5 to the power of a is equals to now the log of 45. So from there now, we can now say that here, suppose we have the log of p to the power of m. This one can be written as m, the log of p. So let's express the log of 5 to the power of a in the form of m log p. So from there, the log of 5 to the power of a shall change to a log 5 is equals to the log of 45. So from there now, for us to remain with a on this side, we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 5. So here by the log of 5, this side also by the log of 5. So the log of 5 and the log of 5 shall cancel. So now our a shall now be the log of 45 all over the log of 5. So we don't stop there. So let's still factorize the log of 45 all over the log of 5. So now our a shall be now is equals to the log of 45 can also be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 9 all over the log of 5. So according to the law of logarithm, we can also express it as a is equals to the log of 5 plus the log of 9 all over the log of 5. So from here, now we can split the equation by now saying that a is equals to, now we shall have the log of 5 plus the log of 9, then both sides divided by the log of 5, then this side also by the log of 5. So here now we shall now say that our a, in this case, a is equals to the log of 5 and the log of 5 shall cancel. Now shall now have 1 plus now the log of 9 all over the log of 5. So here now we shall say that, so in this case the value of a can also be expressed as 1 plus, so the log 9 can also be written as the log of 3 to the power of 2 all over now the log of 5. So here now a is equals to 1 plus the log 3 to the power of 2 can also be written as 2 log 3 all over the log of 5. So in this case now, a in this case is equals to 1 plus, so here we shall have 2 log 3 all over the log of 5. So assuming that we have equation like the log of a all over the log of b, this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So I want us to express the log of a to the base of b, the log of 3 over the log of 5 in the form of the log of a to the base of b. So here now we shall now say that a is equals to now 1 plus 2 the log of 3 to the base of 5. So now these are now shall be our value for a. So let's now confirm if this answer is really true. So our equation, or our major equation, was 5 to the power of a is equals to 45. So now instead of writing a, we now equate it with 1 plus 2 the log of 3 to the base of 5. Now, so now we shall have 5 to the power of 1 plus 2 log 3 to the base of 5 is equals to 45. So here now, we shall now say that 5 to the power of 1 now plus 2 log 3 to the base of 2 can also be written as the log of 3 to the power of 2 base 5 is equals to 45. So we can now go ahead and say that 5 to the power of 1 here plus the log of here now we shall have 3 to the power of 2 is 9, base 5 is equals to 45. So from there now we shall say that, so here now we have that, so this one is now 5 to the power of 1 is 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. Then our plus shall change to multiplication. So the log to the base of 5 shall cancel with this 5 now. So now we shall remain with 9 is equals to 45. So 9 times 5 is 45 is equals to 45. So that means that when calculating our maths problem, we are very right when we conclude that the value for A is equals to 1 plus, so it is 1 plus 2 the log of 3 to the base of 5. So this one now carries the correct answer into the terms of the log ama logarithms. So this is the correct answer. So we can also have the answers in terms of the decimal, where now when we have 5 to the power of A is equals to 45. Then from there now when we change the value for the log, we shall have A is equals to the log of 45 all over the log of 5. So from there now we just insert these numbers into the calculator, and when converting it into decimal, we shall say our value for A is equals to 2.36. So we shall now say that it is 2.3, or it is approximately 2.3. So let's stop there and see you in our next video.